Hey, this is me and my friend having a burping contest. He's not very good at burping, so he's probably gonna lose. But you know, just watch. It'll be interesting. Go. You guys say go. Okay, good job. You're doing.
Hold on, guys.
Just do it. Just do it. Oh my god, my stomach hurts.
Holy shit.
Ah, that hurt. What are you doing? Give me my pop.
Look, my phone. Hey. PS3. PS3.
PS3, yeah, PS3.
Oh yeah, Diet Coke forever, bro. We got jelly bands.
Dude, what's up? Ow. Okay, that was unexpected. What's up with these silly bands? I mean, one sec. You got it.
They ain't that silly.
There you go. Like, what's up with these? You know what I'm saying? Just like, oops, I broke it. Yeah. What's the deal? What's up with these kids and all this? It's a kid cracking on. Just be like, oh my god, right? Don't spell it. We're in my house, you asshole.